In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Stripe payment notifications with Zapier. We're going to set up a simple workflow that emails you whenever a new payment comes through in Stripe. This is perfect for instant visibility on sales without constantly checking your dashboard. Start by signing into your Zapier account at zapier.com. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose Create, then select Zaps to open a fresh automation. Every Zap begins with a trigger, so click Trigger to choose what kicks things off. In the app search, type Stripe, then select it from the results. Zapier will now ask what Stripe event should start the workflow. Choose the new payment option. This tells Zapier to look for successful payments and pass the details to the next step. Next, connect your Stripe account. If this is your first time, Zapier will guide you through a quick, secure authorization. If you manage multiple Stripe accounts, be sure you're connecting the correct one for this workflow. After connecting, use the Test Trigger button. Zapier will pull a recent payment sample, which helps you map real fields in the next step. If you don't see any data, running a quick test transaction in Stripe's test mode can help, but it's not required to continue. Now let's add the action. Click Action to define what should happen after a new payment. Search for and choose Gmail. For the action event, pick Send Email. During configuration, Zapier may prompt you to connect your Gmail account. Approve that connection so Zapier can send emails on your behalf. Configure your email details. In the To field, enter the address where you want notifications delivered. For the subject, make it informative. For example, new Stripe payment from, and then insert the customer name token from the Stripe data. In the body, include the key details you care about, such as amount, currency, payment ID, customer email, and payment status. Use Zapier's field picker to insert these directly from the Stripe sample so each message is personalized automatically. Keep the message clear and concise, and consider adding a short internal note like how to find the payment in Stripe. If needed, you can set CC or BCC, but it's best to keep notifications targeted. When everything looks right, run a test. Zapier will send a sample email using your mapped fields so you can confirm formatting and content. If anything's off, adjust the fields and test again. Once your test looks good, your automation is ready to notify you the moment a new Stripe payment arrives.